Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I got this perm rod set. This is the most volume I got out of perm rod set, and you'll see how I got it so big at the end. But if you want to see how I got these perm rods, just keep on watching. Okay, so I start on freshly washed hair, and then I'm taking the Aloe leave-in conditioner from Taliah Waajid. This is from their new line, and I'm just putting it in sections in my hair, and then I'm going to take the curl definer from Taliah Waajid, and I'm just going to go ahead and put it in my hair. At first I thought that it would detangle better if I was to comb the kinks. Since the parts were so small, I thought I can get away with combing the kinks, but that was a no-no, just because like I was breaking my hair off. Like, as you can see now, I was literally breaking my hair off. So I just went ahead and got the brush. I don't know why I used this small comb thinking that it was gonna do anything. So I used the brush and then it worked better. And then I'm just going to perm rod my hair. Perm rod, flexi rod. Oh my gosh, I've been saying perm rod this whole time. Oh my gosh, flexi rod. Lord of mercy. But yeah, so I flexi rod my hair in the twisting motion, as you see here. This is the way that I know how to do that. It comes out great. I've tried other methods, like I said in my previous flexi rod video, and they didn't work. So this is the best for my kinky hair, that I will get the curls that I want. So you do the whole thing for the entire section. Use the curl defining cream brush and then put it on the flexi rods. And as you see, I'm using different colors, and the different colors represent the different sizes. And I did this because basically I ran out of my purple perm rods. I was running out of perm rods, so I need to go get some more purple perm rods. And then I ended up running out of the red perm rods. As why do I keep calling it perm rods? Y'all forgive me. Forgive me. I ran out of the red flexi rods as well, and so I used two really big flexi rods that wasn't close to size at all to the other ones. But I mean, we do what we gotta do when we ain't got it all. So yeah, this is like 2 days later. If you don't want to air dry, go ahead and just sit under the dryer. You can take it out same day. But these are how my curls turned out. They're really curly, really defined. I used the Cream of Nature Argan oil to take my hair out, which you will see in a different clip. Yeah, so I used that to, you know, add moisture to my hair and try to limit frizz as much as possible as I'm separating, because you guys know when separating perm rods, they can easily become frizzy. So you don't want to disturb the curl too much, and I'm trying as much as possible to separate where they are naturally separating, so that's going to help with less frizz as well. As you can see those little holes in it. You just take it from the hole and then you separate it like that, so that frizz, you know, you can minimize the frizz. So the oil helps with frizz, as well as separating it where it naturally separates. And this is basically how I'm getting my volume. Like, this is first day hair, and a lot of times for first day hair perm rod sets, I don't want to pick my hair too much because it gets bigger as the days go by. But I'm tired of flat hair. Perm rods give me flat hair, and I like big hair, so I just pick the capacity out of my roots. Like, as you can see, I was bending over, my head was, you know, down, like to the side, everywhere, trying to pick out these curls. And yeah, so this is the look. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, a really straight to the point tutorial. So yeah, I really hope you guys like this video. If you guys like it, give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.